Good day, ma'am. My name is Janamay Purisima Luga, and now I'm reciting vision, mission, core values, and goals of MONCAS. So let's start with the vision. Vision, a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission, to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researchers, and sustainable extension programs gearing towards socio-economic development. Core values, MONCAS. M, moral uprightness. O, optimism and nationalism. C, compassion. A, adaptability. S, service. And T, teamwork. And now, goals. Number 1, produce competent graduates. Number 2, foster strong linkages and network. 3, synergize human capital.